Welcome back to another video. Hey, how y'all doing, people? Hey, today we are going to prep for that. If it works, we don't know. It's a sketchy, very. But in order to do that, that needs to go. And I have a plan for that one. And also, that one. I'm gonna dig around it as much as I can and see if I can just get down there and chop up around it and yank it out. If it doesn't come by hand, tow hitch, strap. Sit back, enjoy, and pray I don't hurt myself. And that was scary easy. Let's see if we're that lucky with this one. Now those two roots are out. There's one more over under that bucket over there. Well, I'll get him later. It's not really in the way. I'm going to use my lawnmower, drop it to the lowest setting, and mulch everything there up. Everything. So as with these holes that had the planter boxes in them, should be 8 of them, 10 here, all along here. I need to fill them in. Same thing here, where the root came out from and where I pulled the sugar cane from. I'm just gonna fill up the wheelbarrow with dirt, fill these in. But I figure since the lawnmower is running, doing so great, I'm gonna go over here and trim that hill down. I'm gonna give it a fade. What y'all think? Seems like whatever tree that is growing up there, there's another one here. Hopefully they are shade trees, and I may have just made a big massacre here. Look at this. Is this what I think it is? I don't believe this. Let's find out. Oh my gosh. And I just chopped this whole thing down. No. I just cut this whole thing down. Well, there's some of it left. I'm gonna wait until all these are ripe and pick them, and I'll probably take the tree out. Unbelievable. We got prickles all over it. It hurt, man. It hurt. Time to fill these holes. And all these little spots. Especially where I just pulled the roots up from and the sugar cane. So I'm gonna start with the sugar cane area and then work my way over. Get everything filled in. In order to prepare part 2 of this video, I'm going to measure the shed, write the measurements on there, and go from there. I've measured it 3 times before and I've forgotten. The important part, the skits. That's what I really need. So I can get away with 10-foot pipes, preferably 12. Getting the shed ready to move, which I'm gonna try to do myself. Another stump. Not as bad as the other one, but I'm taking a different approach to this. I'm just gonna dig breather holes all the way around it. Skip over the roots, dig another hole, and connect them. Then we have some fun. I am basically gonna do with this smaller stump what I did with the bigger one. Only this time I'm gonna start out digging down around it, getting to the bottom, and burning it from the bottom up, instead of going the other way around. As you can see, it's still green. That shoot's coming out, but it has to go. It is directly in line with the shed. Then it's gonna be in the way of my driveway. Pink flag. Yeah. Has to go. Really? There we go. Somebody doing their job. I'll come back, check on this in about a half an hour, see where we're at. Think it went out.